Discover how AI chat can revolutionize appointment booking for plumbers by streamlining scheduling, reducing missed calls, and improving customer experience. In this video, we'll dive into how AI-driven appointment booking tools can help plumbers handle more clients effortlessly, maximize revenue, and stay competitive.
Hey, and welcome once again to use cases where I attempt to show you those who are plumbers and home service business. I attempt to show you practical use cases for AI voice, AI chat, automation, and digital marketing services. Uh, showing you actual practical example of how that can be applied to your business. Today's video, we're going to be talking about AI chatbots and how you can use AI chatbots to book appointments, to interact with your audience, and to streamline your communication and engagement and interaction with your customers, right? So, as a plumbing business, or if you're a HSB, a home service business, one of the things that you thrive on is someone booking appointments, and you want to be able to interact with those customers. So, uh, sometimes, as a service-based business, even if you have you know one or two people working for you, you can't uh, take every phone call, take every chat message, whether it be on Facebook, Google My Business, or directly on your website, right? So to solve that problem, what we use is AI chatbots. Now we AI chatbots, they're on 24/7. So which means you have 24/7 interaction with your customers. They work round the clock. They, once you train them on your business, they know about your business just as well as you do. You can train them on how to answer questions. You can train them on how to qualify leads, to book appointments, to notify your team when someone has come to your website and inquired about anything. They can give your pricing services, they can send messages. There's so many things that they can do. But today we're going to keep it kind of simple just to give you a practical use case. Okay, so we're here on my website. This is our website, and we're just using our website because our chatbot is trained and fully trained. But if we were to implement this on your website, we would train the chatbot on your plumbing website or HSB website, add the chat widget there, train it so that it can actually book appointments for you and notify your team. So we're here on my website, and I'm going to start a chat. And right off the bat, you see that the AI chatbot is asking me, am I looking to add AI and automation to my business? So I'm going to say, yes, I am. And so now this entire conversation that's going to take place, this conversation is going to take place with an AI bot. In other words, I'm not there. I'm not typing on the keyboard, responding to a chat message. I don't have to do that. The AI bot is my employee, it's my assistant, and it's handling that task for me so I can focus on other things. Same for you as a plumbing business. If you're out in the field, you don't have to worry about trying to stop, get to your phone, answer the question, and then get back to work and going back and forth, right? So it says, great, man, I have your full name, and I'm going to give it a name here, Dexter Jones. And I'm with A2 Plumbing. And it's asking about plumbing because that's who we target. We, cater to local plumbing businesses here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So you notice this conversation is taking place and says, are you looking into AI and automation to make a difference? Yes, I wanted help with scheduling and follow-ups. So I'm telling the AI bot, what my pain point is, why I'm here. So we train the bot on what the client's pain points. If, for instance, if this since for a plumbing business, it would I would train it to say, first of all, is this an emergency? So therefore, the bot will actually know whether to go into emergency mode or if this is a normal inquiry. Would you like to book a demo? So immediately the bot is trying to get me to book a demo. And that's what we train the bot to do, to automatically, try to steer the lead to book an actual demo, because that's what we want. We want them to have a demo to see. In your case, as a plumber, you want them to schedule a service appointment or to get on a maintenance contract. Uh, you know, so in this instance, we want to say yes. And so the AI bot is going to check and it's going to ask me what slots. How about tomorrow? And let's see if it has slot, because what it's doing is actually checking the calendar in real time. It's checking our calendar to see what slots are available, and it's going to suggest the times that's available for tomorrow. If there's no time available, then it's going to ask me again. So it looks like it said we have no slots available for tomorrow. And so let me go with Tuesday at 9 a.m. So I suggested a time to the bot. So and that's the thing about the bot. Once it syncs with your calendar, it knows what times you have available, what slots available. Let's say if you're a plumber and you have certain plumbers that have certain schedules or certain times, we could set it up to where it can know that, well, here's a time slot, here's a slot for this plumber or that technician, that they can actually be scheduled. So notice here that it's actually giving me two time slots. And that's what we told. We wanted to give at least two time slots. So we're going to choose 9 a.m. So now that I've chosen 9 a.m., the bot, it's going to go ahead and book my appointment. Your appointment is booked. All right. So we booked an appointment. Now I want to show you something that takes place. So it says my appointment is booked. Looking forward to you. So I'm going to say thanks. And so now my appointment was booked. And so now if you see here, it says that appointment was booked. And just now, you see here on my mobile application that I see an appointment was booked. If I go to look at this customer, I can go to appointments on my phone, and I see there's an appointment confirmed for Tuesday, November 19th at 9 a.m. So it booked my appointment for me on my calendar. Um, and I already have it on my calendar. And as you see my calendar, you see if I go to, uh, let's see, Tuesday, let's go to this day. I think this is the right calendar. Let me refresh my calendar. There we go. And there it is. So I refreshed the calendar, and there again, there's the appointment for Dexter Jones. It was booked. All this was done by uh, the chat bot, the AI chat bot. So none of this was done manually. There was no employee that did it. I didn't have to pay no employee to have pay any extra hours for them to answer the phone. A person can come to your website any time of the day. This thing is on 24/7 to actually schedule and book appointments for you. Now, that whole process was done uh, through our software called Amplify. Amplify is our uh, AI powered automation and marketing platform. And I don't want to get into a lot of details because I want to keep these videos kind of short and not too technical. Uh, but I just wanted you to know that it was done all through um, automation to actually to book the calendar appointment, to send out the appointment. And one thing that happens when the appointment is booked, the it will actually send a email confirmation email. What's going to happen is that within when it's close to my appointment time that was set, um, it will send out a SMS and an email reminding me of the appointment. And then 24 hours before, it will actually, an AI will call and remind me of the appointment. And then on the day of the appointment, you'll get another SMS message and email, just a reminder. And an hour before, it'll call you and say, hey, you have an appointment with, uh, Pettis at Amplify, or if, in this instance, whatever your plumbing business is, it will remind them of that appointment and let them know the technician will be out. So I just wanted to do this quick use case just to show you as a plumber. If you're a plumber and you're in the Dallas Fort Worth area, because we work with plumbers in the Dallas Fort Worth area, if you're a plumber or your home service business and you want this AI chat bot on your website, you can contact us using the contact information that's in the description in this video, or you can go to our website, www.amplify.ai, and you can sign up for one of our plans, the AI plan, where we include chatbots as well as AI voice. So once again, this is Pettis with use case at One Click Digital Services. See you next time.